Thompson M1A1, 45 ACP. Oh, crap. Here we go.
Hit it in the spring, throw it over at half. Hey, that was a little bit better.
Oh yeah. And this one was just stuck. And nothing hit it.
So it's definitely the firing pin. Did you put that one back in there?
Yeah.
Pop that one back out. It has to do with primer depth, I'm sure. So once I get that firing pin a little more forward.
Just keep it recording.
Yep, I just
Cool.
left it going.
All right.
Edit out what you want to edit.
Just so they'll know.
Yeah.
Everything's raw. Ah,
Yeah.
stuck.
She's stuck.
That's how it happens sometimes. Right, so you can finish it on off. Sometimes you have a misfire here and there. That's how it goes. Oh, one more.
Probably stuck again.
Mm-hmm.
I get it. Yeah.
Last one. See if I hit one of these smaller targets.
There you go.
Right on it.
Just gotta adjust the firing pin.
Yeah, so just a little tweaking need to be done, that's all. But once they're working, full throttle, tons of fun. Tons of fun.